Are you looking to find the best real estate investment opportunities in your market? Today, we're going to show you a powerful strategy called list stacking using a tool like PropStream. Step 1. Pulling lists from PropStream. First, log into your PropStream account and navigate to the Lists section. Here, you'll find a variety of lists to choose from, such as absentee owners, pre-foreclosures, tax delinquencies, and more. These lists contain properties with different levels of distress or motivation to sell. Let's select the absentee owners list for this example. Next, apply filters to narrow down your search based on your target market and investment criteria. You can filter by location, property type, equity percentage, and more. Once you've applied your filters, generate the list. PropStream will provide you with a list of properties and their owners that meet your criteria. Step 2. Stacking lists for maximum opportunity. Now, the real magic happens when you stack multiple lists together. List stacking involves combining different lists and filtering them based on multiple criteria to identify the most motivated sellers. For example, you can stack the absentee owners list with the pre-foreclosures list and tax delinquencies list. Apply additional filters such as length of ownership, property condition, and more to further refine your search. By stacking lists, you're able to pinpoint properties and owners facing various levels of distress, increasing your chances of finding motivated sellers who are more likely to sell at favorable terms. Step 3. Why list? Stacking is important. List stacking is crucial because it allows us to focus our efforts on properties with the highest potential for profit. By targeting motivated sellers, we increase our chances of securing deals below market value and maximizing our returns. So, next time you're searching for real estate investment opportunities, remember to leverage the power of list stacking using tools like PropStream. Start stacking your list today and unlock the hidden gems in your market.